Welcome back to another module in Windows 11 computer tutorial course. So in this module we are going to see about Windows security and Windows virus detection protocol. To access it, that just come here and type here Windows security and click Windows security here. After that, you come here, just come in the home section. You can see all these functions are activated, like virus and protection. They all have a green tick on it. So if we come here in virus and protection, you can see current threats, no current threats found. So from here we can scan our computer for any kinds of problem or any kinds of virus. So if you press quick scan, so now it's scanning my computer, so I just cancel it. And from here we can change the scan options. From here we can do quick scan, flex scan, and customize scan, and Microsoft Defender antivirus scan. So just if we press full scan, so it will scan our full computer. So quick scan selected. If I come here in account protection, and here it can protect my Microsoft account, and I'm not signed in. So here in dynamic lock, if I activate this, so whenever I go away, my computer will dynamically will locked, and no one can access it. To activate this, just click here, and from here I can activate my dynamic lock like this. So I have to connect my mobile to my PC, so whenever I go away, so my mobile will give signal to my PC and my computer will lock dynamically. So I'll come back, I'll close this window. After that, I have this firewall and network protection. So there we have a domain network, firewall is on, private network, firewall is on, public network, firewall is on. So from here we can bring changes to our firewall. After that we have app and browse control. So smart control enhance protection from untrusted app, and there are also another protection. Just read and apply it. Device security, and it can protect our device like security processing, core isolation, data encryption, and all of them. From here we can protect our device storage, battery life, apps, software, and Windows time server. All of them has no issues, so all of them are fit and fixed. After that we have family options. From family option we can control our kids, how long they can spend their time on Windows or on the computer, and we can keep track of our children's digital life, what are they are searching and what they are doing with computer. We can access them from here. We can change their settings from here. After that we can see our protection history from here, no recent action. So this is all from our virus and protection module. So see you in the next module of this course.